Tonga's massive underwater volcanic eruption could deliver long-lasting damage to coral reefs, erode coastlines and disrupt fisheries, say scientists studying satellite images and looking into the past to project the future of the remote region. Since the initial eruption, the volcano has been releasing sulfur dioxide and nitrogen oxide, two gases that create acid rain when they interact with water and oxygen in the atmosphere. Volcanologist Shane Cronin at the University of Auckland said, with Tonga's tropical climate, there is likely to be acid rain around Tonga for a while to come. Acid rain causes widespread crop damage, and Tonga's exclusive economic zone of nearly 700,000 marine square kilometers, which is 1,000 times larger than its land area, is also under risk. A loss of coral reefs would also affect Tonga's ability to cope with rising water and storm surges. This is a concern for Tonga, where climate change is driving the sea level to rise by about 6 millimeters per year, double the global average.